So this video is going to show you how to print the house on an A-size sheet of paper, which is just a regular 8.5 by 11, so that you can scale it and check your drawing. So the first thing you're going to want to do, I like to turn off the dimensions just because I think it clutters the print. So I'm going to click on a dimension and say hide category. And I'm going to do the same thing with these elevation markers. They don't really give you anything we need. For this house, you're going to want a view scale of 3/16 to 1 foot, and that should do it. So now if we come down to the sheets area here, you should have one that's called A1, first floor plan. If you come here, it already has set up this big title block, which is on a D-size piece of paper, which is a rather large sheet. We're not going to print to that. We're just printing on 8.5 by 11. So you can delete this if you want. I'm going to just click on the whole title block and hit delete. I also like to move this up. These are things you don't necessarily need to do, though. And then I'm going to put this into the view as big as I can. And down, I'm going to push it down towards the bottom left corner. And that's because of the way we're going to print it. So I'm going to say File, Print. Make sure you're on this printer, which is our Classroom. If you don't have that loaded, you're going to have to load it first or install the driver. I'm going to set it to visible portion, which just means print what's in here because we had to lose that title block. This is all because we don't have the A-size title block already in our project, and it's not loaded on our computers. If you go to settings, this one's very important. You don't want fit to page because then it won't be scaled correctly. You want to say zoom 100%. And for this, you're also going to want it on landscape. And I'm going to hit OK. I would suggest doing a preview and making sure that it looks like it's going to work, which it does. It'd be great if you could shift it so that you could see your scale. I'm just going to hit print here and then hit OK. This, you're going to want to say leave the temporary hide on, which is the fact that we hid our dimensions. And now you should have your drawing there. I guess I should have mentioned perhaps you should add a text box here that just has your name before you print it, so that when you print